Hi students. Okay students, in our previous class we discussed about one topic. Is it right? So what is the name of the topic? Yes, rotation and revolution. What is that? Rotation and revolution. Is it right? Next I am revising about it. So did you listen the class? Did you complete your homework? Okay students, every day we are sending videos. You have to listen the video carefully. If you have any doubts, pause the video. And if you want to write board answers, board matter means you have to write in the notebook. And after that you have to play the video and you have to listen again. Okay? Don't confuse anybody. And what I'm giving homework or assignment after completing the topic, then immediately you have to complete the assignment also. Did you complete the assignment? Yes. Okay. Just I'm revising 1 minute about our previous topic, rotation, revolution. What is a rotation? Yes, the earth is rotating on its own axis. Okay, that is called a rotation. While in the same way, our earth is revolving around the sun. That is called revolution. Okay, and we discussed about rotation and revolution in our previous classes. Through the rotation, we are getting day and night. And with one practical also, I showed to you how day is formed, which side is day is there, which side is night time is there, how it is forming, how many days, how many hours it is taking to complete one rotation. 24 hours. Is it right? And with the help of revolution, we are getting seasons. Summer season, rainy season, autumn, spring seasons are there. Yes, 5 seasons are there. These seasons are happening with the help of the revolution. So to complete one revolution, how many days it will take? Earth 365 days, 6 hours. Is it clear? And after 4 years, we are calling it in that one leap year. In the leap year, in February month, generally February month has 28 days. So for this 28 days, 4 hours add, and it is calculated like a 1 day. That 1 day add in the February month. In leap year February month, that one has 29th day. So we discussed about this. Is it right? Now we are going to discuss another topic, that is weather. What is that? Weather. First of all, what is a weather? See, if you see outside of your home, how is the condition now? How is the atmosphere? Is it cool or is it hot or is it windy or is it rainy? How is that? How is it? I think in some places cool is there, in some places hot is there, in some places rainy is there, like that is there. So that is weather. That is weather. That is different is there in different places. So first of all, what is a weather? Weather is the atmospheric condition. What is a weather? Weather is the weather is the atmospheric condition of the atmospheric condition of a place at a particular time, Okay, it is called weather. Understood everyone? What is a weather? Weather is the atmospheric condition. Weather is the atmospheric condition. Atmospheric condition means here now we have one atmosphere. How is our atmosphere now? Cool is there or hot is there or how is there? That is because that is changing is there place to place. So suppose now some hot is there, little bit hot is there. It is not cool, it is not hot, too hot. It is little bit cool and hot is there. So that is our atmospheric condition. So weather is the atmospheric condition of a place. Now this is one place. Here how is the atmospheric condition? How is it here? Now little bit hot is there. So that is at a particular time. Now 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock or morning session. Whatever time. So morning cool is there. If you see in the early in the morning cool is there. Slowly what is happening? Sometimes it is getting hot, sometimes it is getting rainy, sometimes wind is blowing. These are all happening at particular time. This is called weather. That only here. Weather is the atmospheric condition of a place at a particular time. At a particular time. This is called weather. This is called weather. Understood everyone? Yes. Now, temperature also is there. This temperature is showing effect on weather. What is that? Temperature. Do you know temperature? Generally, we are watching temperature in the news. They are saying in Khammam this much is there, in Hyderabad this much is there, highest temperature, lowest temperature. They are saying. Okay, so it tells to us heat position, hot position of a particular place, particular time. Now we are all living in Khammam. Now how much percentage, how much degrees hot is there, temperature is there, means suppose now some cool is there, now 30 degrees centigrade is there. How much is there? Just approximately I am saying 30 degrees centigrade temperature is there in our Khammam. Right now. It is changing. Suddenly climate is changing. It is getting rain. Then very cool is there. So it will fall down within short period, within minutes, within hours, within 1 or 2 hours. It will goes to 5 degrees or 10 degrees or 15 degrees like that. Okay, that is changing immediately. Weather, climate is changing. Okay. So temperature, okay. Temperature also reduces as we go up, high up the mountains. Mountains are there. If you go up the mountains, automatically this temperature also decreasing. Okay, okay. And the days are usually hotter than the nights. Generally, we are seeing daytime. How is the daytime? Some hot is there. Night time very cool is there. So these are all showing to us temperature. One day temperature. Is it right? And in the same way, air also is there. This air also show effect. What is that? Air. Air is all around us. We cannot see it. Is it right? Generally, if we see air is there around us, air is there. Right now also air is there. But can we see that one? No. But how we know? Air is there? How we can say air is there around us? So with feeling, feeling, it is hitting. When it is hitting on the skin or when it is hitting our body, then we are getting one type of feeling. Is it right? Suppose now fan is rotating over our head. So what will happen? That the air is coming and hitting our skin. Then our body is getting cool. Suppose power gone now. Fan also not rotate. Okay. Then what will happen? We are getting slowly our body is getting suffocating. Sweat is coming outside. Then we feel some horrible is there, hot is there. Like that we are saying. Immediately power came. Then start the rotate fan. Again air is coming. That is hitting our skin. So then we are getting feeling. What type of feeling? That is cool feeling. We are getting cool feeling. Then we are saying, oh, air is there. Suppose if you observe or if you see branches of a tree, okay now, so they are moving, they are swinging like this. Then we can say, oh, air is blowing. Is it right or not? Yes. This air also shows some effect in the weather. This is one of the part to show effect in the weather. Okay. We can't see air. Why we are not seeing air? Air has no color. It has no color. it has no taste, it has no taste, and it has no smell also. Okay, but we can feel it, and here there are different types of air. In the air also different types are there. We are discussing here about it. There are different types of different types of air. What are they? Here, one is wind. What is that? One is wind. Second one is gale. What is that? Gale. Third one is breeze. Fourth one is storm. These are the 4 types. How many types are there? 4 types. Four types of air are there. Okay, so they are wind, gale, breeze, storm. So what is the wind? Blowing air. Moving air is called wind. What we are calling? Moving air is called wind. Moving air is called wind. So when the sun shines, it heats up the air around the land and the warm, it goes up and raises up. So during daytime what will happen? Sun rays fall on the earth, and in the same way water also. So this earth is receiving heat fastly. That is why. So air, land, above the earth, air is there. This air also heats up fastly. That is why hot air has less weight. It becomes less weight. Automatically it will goes up. Then what will happen? This total area is getting empty, vacuum. Then what will happen? Which area has some weight, that starts to blow this side. It occupies this empty place. Then wind is blowing. Wind is starting. Okay? And the second one is gale. What is that? A gale. So the gale means sometimes the wind blows very fast. Wind blows very fast. Clear? So it is known as gale. Okay? And breeze means sometimes wind is blowing gently, slowly. Wind is blowing gently. Wind is blowing gentle or slowly. This is called breeze. And the fourth one is storm. Storm means sometimes winds are blowing heavily and with the rain also. Blow heavily, blow strongly or heavily, blow strongly, and rains heavily, and it rains heavily. Okay, so that is called a storm. Then what will happen when the wind blows very strongly means this heavy wind causes damage. Okay, what type of things getting damaged? Buildings, okay, and thatched houses. Sometimes electrical poles are there. So electrical wires get snapped. Means electrical wires they will cut. That is why automatically these current poles also fall down. And branches of break down the branches of trees, and sometimes weak root system is there, means some big roots, big trees also uprooted. Like that, this type of damage is happening with the storm. So these are the four different types of air: wind, gale, breeze, and storm. Understood everyone? Yes. Next one is we are going to discuss the seasons. So in the weather seasons also are there. They are also seasons also showing effect in the weather. Okay. Yes. Seasons. So weather conditions of a place usually do not remain the same throughout the year. If you see in the 1 year, weather conditions, different weather conditions are there. So throughout the year, all days weather is different, but not same in all days. Is it right or not? Suppose now it is rainy season. It starts rainy season. Is it right? So in the rainy season, how is there? Some days some hot is there, some days rain is coming, some days wind is blowing, like this. This type of weather conditions are there. After completing this rainy season, winter is coming. Okay. So how is this winter season? Morning session, night time, very cool is there. So we are getting shiver. Our body is getting shiver. But daytime some hot is there. In the summer season, how is there? Daytime very hot is there. Night time some cool is there, and some wind also blowing, and some pleasant days also are there in the summer. Some days are in the spring, approaching spring, like that. Okay. So like this, seasons are also showing effect in the weather. Mainly here we are seeing in these seasons. In the seasons, what will happen? In different seasons, some animals are moving from one place to another place to search for food. Is it right? So, and another one is in some seasons flowers are blooming, and in some seasons all plants shed their leaves. Again, they will get new leaves. They will appear to us with green in color. So these are all happening in the different seasons. So these are all showing effect on weather. Are you understanding? Yes. So in the seasons, here we have mainly 5 seasons. Here we have mainly 5 seasons. There are 5 seasons. There are 5 seasons. How many seasons are there? There are 5 seasons. So what are the 5 seasons? Number 1 is summer season. What is that? Summer. Number 2, rainy. Number 3, autumn season. 4, winter season. Number 5 is spring season. These are the 5 seasons. How many seasons are there? There are 5 seasons are there. They are summer, rainy, autumn, winter, and spring. Say all of once again. Summer. Yes. Number 2, what is that? Rainy. Yes. Number 3, what is that? Autumn. Number 4, winter. Number 5, spring season. Is it right? Understood everyone? Yes. Now we have discussed about summer season. Do you know about summer season? How is it? Yes, very hot is there, cool is there? Yes, very hot is there. Okay. So when it will start summer season? It starts from March to June. It will stay March to June. March to June is there. So how many days? March, April, May, June. 4 months are there. Summer season. Okay. And during summer, days are longer than the nights. So if you see there in the summer, days are there, no? So these days are very longer than nights. Longer than nights. And June 21st has the longest day and the shortest night. June 21st. June 21st is there, no? So now we have, this is June month only. So in the June month 21st day, every year June 21st, in this day if you see, very longest day is there. Daytime very long is there, long daytime, and shortest night is there. Shortest night is there. Understood everyone? In June 21st, if you see, daytime very long period is there, night time very short period is there. Clear? Yes. And most of the water bodies like river, ponds, pools become dry. Water bodies become dry. Okay. And this is about summer season. And precautions during summer season. Why we have to take precautions? It is very hot. It is very hot. So if we wander or if we goes mid of the day, means how is there very hot is there. That is why we are getting sunstrokes like that. Then what will happen? Sometimes we will die also. That much of horrible conditions will raise if we go into the sunshade in summer season. If we go out in the summer season, is it clear? Okay, that is why we have to take some precautions. So what are precautions? See, precautions. During summer, precautions during summer. What type of precautions we have to take in the summer season? First one, do not stand in the sun for a long time. Do not stand. Do not stand in the sun. Is it right or not? Why we are not stand in the sun long period? Very hot is there in the summer season. Is it clear? That is why we don't stand long period in the sun. And another one is drink sufficient water or drinks. Drink sufficient water or juices. That is depend upon us. Drink sufficient water or juices throughout the day or full day. Okay, and use umbrellas. Use umbrellas and caps. Okay, use umbrellas and caps. Why we are using them? To protect our body or to protect ourselves from the heat. From the heat. Okay, and some of us wearing cotton cloths. Is it right? So eat fruits rich. Eat fruits rich in water. Rich in water. Whatever fruit, which fruit contain more water, rich water, so that type of fruits are available in summer. Example, watermelon, mangoes, like that. Okay, so water content fruits, what are they available in the summer season? So that in that time we have to take them, we have to eat them more. So these are the precautions during summer. I think you are all following every summer, in every summer. Is it right? So what are the precautions? Do not stand in the sun. Drink sufficient water or juices, use umbrellas and caps, eat fruits rich in water. Okay, understood? Yes. And after the summer season, we have to discuss about rainy season. What is that? Rainy seasons. So how is the rainy season? It gets rains. Gets rains always, and it starts July. July to September. July to September. In this month we are getting heavy rains. So the sky gets covered with clouds always. Covered with clouds. Already we know about it. And it rains heavily along with the lightning and the thundering. And in the sky it forms clouds. And due to the extreme heat in summer, water from river, ponds, pools get evaporate, and this evaporation water form clouds. These clouds, when they get cool, in the July month to September month, they fall like a rains. First they form clouds. After that, from the clouds we are getting rains. Okay. So what type of precautions we have to take in the rainy season? Same precautions. What are they? Use umbrellas. Use umbrellas, gumboots, raincoats, etc. Raincoats, etc. So, if it is rainy season, we have to use these things: umbrellas, gumboots, raincoats, etc. And we should not let water stand in pools around our homes for a long time. We should not stop. Okay, and we should take care of our health. Suffer few. We should take care. Take care of our health. Take care of our health from flu, skin diseases, etc. Okay, these are the precautions in rainy season. So in the rainy season we are getting rains, and this started rainy season July month to September month. Okay, and in the summer season, due to the heavy temperature, water is raises up, still like a water vapor goes up, so they form clouds. So from the clouds we are getting rains, heavy rains in the rainy season. So precautions: when we go out, then we have to use umbrellas, gumboots, raincoats, etc. And we have to take care ourselves from our health. How we are getting in this this time or in these days some diseases, seasonal diseases. Examples: what are they? Flu, skin disease, diarrhea. Okay, like that, cholera, like that. So this type of precautions we have to take. Okay, and another one is autumn season. What is that? Autumn season. So this one started from October to November month. October to November month. Okay, and here what will happen? The leaves of the most trees change into their color from green to yellow and fall off. Leaves fall off. Leaves change color from green to yellow and fall off. fall off. Fall down. Okay. And here pleasant day is there. The day or the pleasant as the day neither too hot or too cold. Okay. And after that winter season is there. How is the winter season? Very cool is there. How is the winter? Cool is there. So this winter starts from November to January. January is there. Already know in winter how is the winter? Very cool is there. Our body is getting shivering. Okay. Night time very cool is there if you compare with daytime. Okay. Then what type of this, especially in this winter season, we are using mufflers, woolen clothes, okay, socks, monkey caps. We are using in this winter season. Okay, and after that, spring season. What is that? Spring season. So it is start from February to March. And just like autumn, the days and night are mostly equal. So in this spring season, days and night mostly equal are the days nights. Mostly equal are there. Equal days and nights are there. Days and nights are there. Okay now. Timing. Days time, night time equal are there mostly in the spring season. Okay, and in the spring season, if you see all plants are in green color, a variety of colorful flowers blossom. Okay, and different varieties of fruits and vegetables are also available in this season. Fruits, vegetables available. Different types of fruits and vegetables available in this spring season. These are the 5 seasons. Understood everyone? Yes. Say all of you, how many seasons are there? Say all of you, how many seasons are there? Yes, 5 seasons are there. What are they? Yes, what are the 5 seasons? Summer season, rainy season, spring, autumn, and winter season. Okay. Homework. Today's homework. After listening this class, you have to you have to write the homework. So today's homework is, what is the weather? What is a weather? Name the types of air. Write the types of air. Okay, and this is homework for you. After listening the class, you have to complete this homework. Thank you all of you.